Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Marketplace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select tap on the Discover button down below and select a category at the top of the screen, such as electronics, fashion, vehicle, pets, or home. Tap on the relevant one, type in a keyword into the search bar, and after that you should wait a few seconds. Here you can find the results and you can apply further filters to narrow down your search by tapping on the filters icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can set the location, which is now set to worldwide. Then you can also set the distance in this scale, and the price range can be adjusted to, as well as the categories. And you can also select the posted within time frame, so within 24 hours, within 7 days or 30 days, or you can also check out all of the products. So if you have selected all these filters, all you have to do is clicking on the save button down below to see all the relevant results according to your preferences and set filters. So here you can find them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.